Welcome to Odoo Product Lifecycle Management, a version control app that tracks changes to your manufactured goods. PLM is an integrated app for iterating product design changes and handling supply chain or manufacturing adjustments. Let's see how Odoo PLM is used at my nail polish brand, Polished Glam, and how we constantly paint changes into our designs and stay ahead of competitors. Welcome to the PLM dashboard, an overview of ongoing projects at Polished Glam. Here are a number of open engineering change orders, also known as ECOs, organized by type. As a company's head of operations, I'm most focused on the formulation change project, where my team improves nail polish formulas. Now, let's see what I need to do. In the pipe, we see all the changes we're currently working on. I just received feedback from a customer saying our magnetic nail polish stained their nails. We'll create a task to redevelop the nail polish right away. Let's write a short description of the change and add the product that needs improvement. And since this seems to be a significant product issue, I'll make this task a priority. Now, let's begin. Start by moving the task from feedback to in progress so everyone can see that this urgent task is moving forward. And then, I'll ping my team since I'll want their input on this. Everyone I tag as a follower will be notified of any task updates so they can collaborate with us. We can see here, in the chatter, that our polished plans are already in motion. Let's aim to formulate a new magnetic polish by next week. Here, we can schedule to-dos for team members that have specific deadlines, such as finding the culprit of the stains. We'll put our scientist on this one. And found it. It was the periwinkle pigment all along. Start revising the product's bill of materials by clicking the Revision Smart button. In this new BOM, we can make changes that won't affect the BOM that's used on the shop floor. Let's go ahead and remove the periwinkle pigment and replace it with a new ingredient our researcher found, just in time. Now, since the new ingredient hasn't been recorded in the database before, we need to add it and configure all the product and supply chain details. Since our manufacturing is integrated with the Odoo inventory app, we receive recommendations when to reorder more raw materials. This helps us minimize the amount of components we have to keep in stock at any one time. Now, let's define how to source this new component. Despite using a new nail polish ingredient, Odoo PLM automatically updates the bill of materials and pulls in all of the new inventory and procurement information from the product form, ensuring that my warehouse manager won't have disruptions in their workflow. Now that the BOM is ready, let's go over the changes and then finish up this engineering change order. I'll review and test the BOM before the formulation goes to production. Great job, team! I approve! The changes to the BOM have automatically been applied. Our product went from flop to fantastic formulation. With Odoo, the team will always see the latest version of the BOM, so you'll never have to worry about mix-ups with old BOMs. With that taken care of, I'll return to the PLM dashboard for an overview of pending approvals, ensuring improvements are constantly being applied to products. Cross-functional teams can suggest and reject changes and collaborate with us to deliver the improved product. Before we go, let me show you Odoo's impressive traceability. PLM's reporting feature tracks current operational changes and quarterly revisions. From rolling out new product improvements to launching brand new products, Odoo PLM tracks it all. Bring everyone together inside a unified platform. Share insights, make collaborative changes and approvals, and proactively address customer concerns. Reflect, reinvent, and thrive with Odoo.